Hello everyone, today I am teaching you on preposition once again. On preposition should be learned in order to avoid making errors in our language. Today we can understand on preposition by using interesting and beautiful examples. Today we have to be very careful regarding these things. On the board you can see there are some beautiful examples written on the board. Look at the first example. There are some people sitting on a bus. So we can say on a bus. Look at the second example. In the building, we can say we are living on the second floor. On the third floor, on the fourth floor, we can say whatever we want. Look at the third example. There is a person who is going from A to B. It means on the way from A to B. Now I'm going to read some more examples. On a bus, on a train, on a motorbike, on a horse. Did your mother come here on a plane? On the ground, on the first floor, etc. Now we are going to read these things very carefully. Her office is on the second floor. On the way to. To is a preposition we have to keep in mind. On the way home, there is no preposition. So we can make an example. We met her on the way to work. On the way home. See the difference, students? Now you can understand on preposition in your language. It will be quite easier for you. Thank you for watching it.